It's Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Holden Commodore Omega sedan, stock reference number 3989. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LFW 3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front and the right side. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, chrome radiator grille. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door is a good private door, does have multiple large sort of dents. Left rear door has a couple of small dents, a light crease and a medium dent. The left rear has an SV6 18-inch alloy with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Boot lid has one small dent. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar cut out. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tail light. Right rear. Oh no, that's damaged. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, media player with sat nav, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and black leather interior. We also have the instrument cluster. And the vehicle's done 110,000 kilometres. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.